स्वागत है आपका CFS में। आज हम करने वाले हैं NCERT क्लास 9 का चैप्टर 14 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। तो हम इसके कुछ टॉप MCQs करने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ हमारा पहला MCQ है, द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच सॉइल इरोजन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड। तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि सॉइल इरोजन जो होता है वो किस प्रोसेस से प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है, मीन्स इसको सुधारा जा सकता है, नेचर में इसके बदलाव लाया जा सकता है। तो सॉइल इरोजन आपका ओवर ग्रेजिंग बाय एनिमल्स, नो। डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ना। एक्सेसिव यूज़ ऑफ फर्टिलाइज़र जो होते हैं वो फार्मिंग के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं। एफॉरेस्टेशन, यस। This is the process by which soil erosion can be prevented. Means we have to plant more trees. By this process, soil erosion can be prevented. Move on to the next question. Its answer is afforestation. Move on to the next question, that is, which gases cause global warming? The question is asking that for the global warming, which gas is responsible? For the global warming, which gas is responsible? So here is the global warming means what? Not inert gases, not rare gases. How will these are responsible? Noble gases are except greenhouse gases, which affect the greenhouses, which are also responsible for the greenhouse effect. So the answer C is greenhouse effect is more right. Now move on to the next question. Question is asking that nitrates can be converted into nitrates by. The question is asking that the nitrites कैन बी कन्वर्टेड बाई नाइट्रेट्स। जो नाइट्राइट्स होते हैं वो नाइट्रेट्स के द्वारा कन्वर्ट किए जाते हैं किस बैक्टीरिया के द्वारा? तो द आंसर इज नाइट्रोसोमोनस, नो। सिम्बियोटिक, नो। एमोनिफाइंग बैक्टीरिया, नो। द आंसर इज ए, नाइट्रोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया। मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द ओजोन लेयर फाउंड इन द एटमोस्फेयर? So the question is asking that in the atmosphere in which we live, the ozone layer which deflects the UV rays of the sun, in which layer it is situated? So the answer is troposphere, no. Stratosphere, yes. Mesosphere, no. Ionosphere, no. In the stratosphere, the ozone layer found in the atmosphere, this is in the Dormic way. First this, after this, after this, and after this. So in the geometrical way it is arranged, that is first layer is the troposphere, second is the stratosphere, third is mesosphere, and the fourth is ionosphere. That is it is our living area, it is balloon, it is airplane area, it is moving area, it is the space. So the answer is stratosphere. Now move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is asking that which cause depletion of the ozone layer? The question is asking that in which layer ozone layer was depleting. So the answer is water vapor, no. Greenhouse gases, no. Inert gases, no. The answer is chlorofluorocarbons. You know what chlorofluorocarbons are? The chlorofluorocarbons are also known as C2F2. Remember this term. The chlorofluorocarbons are also known as C2F2 gas. These gases are being released by airplanes, our refrigerators. This is very harmful for nature. This is responsible for the ozone layer depletion, means the ozone layer is depleting. Now you know in the lockdown, ozone layer is depleted at a high level, but due to the lockdown, that high level of depleting, this was being covered. Why? Because we are in the houses, no transportation system is going on, all in the houses, so that ozone layer is covered. Okay, now move on to the next question. The main biological process through which oxygen is returned to the atmosphere is. So the question is asking that what is the biological process known as through which oxygen is returned from the atmosphere. The question is asking that जो biological एक ऐसा मेन biological process बताइए जिसके कारण जो आपका ऑक्सीजन है वो एटमॉस्फेयर से वापस रिटर्न आ जाता है. तो उस बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर का नाम है फोटोसिंथेसिस. Means, you know what is the question asking? This is a confusing question. This will ask in your examination that how will you prevent. This question asks that question number 6 is asking that कि जो हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर होता है इसमें ऑक्सीजन जो होता है वो गैस वापस कैसे आता है. तो थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस. प्लांट फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं जिसके कारण O2 रिलीज होता है और वो हमारे और CO2 अंदर जाता है जिसके कारण ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. Okay, so the correct answer is photosynthesis. Now move on to the next question, that is identify from the following which is not the control measure of water pollution. Identify the pollution managements that control the measure of water pollution. The question is asking that कि जो वाटर पॉल्यूशन है, ठीक है, वो किसके कारण पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो रहा है. मीन्स वाटर पोल्यूशन कैसे हो रहा है, बाय विच ऑफ द यूजेस ऑफ दीज आर preventing control measure of water pollution. So the right answer is uses of natural manure, that is very good for soil. Uses of drip irrigation, that is not harmful for water. Yes, uses of fertilizer is very harmful to waters. You know, fertilizers are chemicals, and when we add fertilizers to water, the water pollution will held and our water will get polluted. So the control measure of water pollution is uses of fertilizers. So move on to the next question, that is question number 8. The factors which do not lead to soil information in nature is. By which factors? The question means that by which factors the soil formation in nature is not lead. Means इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है जो फैक्टर्स होता है, ठीक है, सॉइल फॉर्मेशन जो होता है नेचर में कौन नहीं होने देता है. तो द सिंपल आंसर इज वाटर जब होगा तो कोई से फर्क नहीं पड़ना. when sunlight is there, no. When wind is there, no. So the answer is polythene bags. Polythene bags are very harmful in nature. They are not biodegradable. They do not decompose in the soil and will be get on the upper surface of the soil and will harm the when we will burn it, it will cause air pollution. When we throw in water, it causes water pollution, and when we throw in the soil, it causes soil pollution. So it is very harmful in our nature. So now what is the question is asking that which factors is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Now this question is asked very easy. I told that so you have to comment what is the answer of question number 9. Okay, I will see your comment and will suppose I will those answers which is very good, I will support him and like his comment. So please comment this is your homework for comment. Now move on to the next question, that is increased concentration of blanks in the air leads to global warming. Do you know what is global warming? Yes, global warming is the increased concentration of CO2 in the air. That means CO2, when CO2 increases, global warming helps when CO2 increases. Okay, so the right answer is B number. So now move on to the next question, that is which among of the following gases does not contribute to greenhouse effect. Do you know which of the following will not contribute to greenhouse effect? There are some gases which are contributing in greenhouse effect. The answer is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide not a gas, it is only in the does not contribute in the greenhouse effect. Okay, so its answer is nitrogen dioxide. Now move on to the next question, that is the form of water which is suitable from drinking. for drinking is from what mineral type of water we have to drink. We have to drink only potable water. This is a general question by which it is asked. Okay, it is in exam idea, so I will discuss it now. Rainfall depends upon, in which of the situations rainfall depends upon? So the answer is the prevailing season in an area, not the underground water table, not the density pattern of human population, not the water bodies in the area. It depends all upon the season in the area, that what the season tells. Okay, now move on to the next question, that is question number 14. Identify among the pairs which is involved in both water cycle and oxygen cycle. Okay, this question is asking that which of the pair is involved in water cycle and oxygen cycle. मीन्स वाटर साइकिल वॉट, वाटर का जो साइकिल होता है, जैसे वाटर हम लोग को वापस आता है, तो इससे सो द आंसर इज वॉट, कैन एनीवन टेल? द आंसर इज ए, that is evaporation, through which we get our water cycle, and lightning with through which we get our oxygen cycle. So the A number is the right one. Now move on to the next question, that is what would happen if all the oxygen present in the environment is converted to ozone? Can you guess? Yes, it is the, I will tell you in the, so you have to comment this in the comment section, what will the option of question number 9 and question number 15. So you have to comment those answer whose are correct. I will add him in the liked comments. Okay, so please comment. Move on to the next question, that is, so just see the options of question number 15 also. Okay, now thanks for watching. Please subscribe the video for getting more.